Hello viewers, welcome. I'm the Taken. The Sharp Aquos Series 6 has a 240Hz IGGO OLED display and is one of the lightest 5G phones yet. So watch the video till the end. Sharp unveiled the Aquos 06, a smartphone with a 240Hz screen, and that's not even its biggest achievement. The 02 did 240Hz last year, and there's also the R6 with a 1-inch sensor. Instead, 06 claimed to fame is that it is the lightest 5G smartphone in the world. Well, that's what Sharp claims, and it comes with a number of asterisks. Specifically, the Sharp Aquos 06 is the lightest 5G phone with a screen larger than 6 inches and a battery that is 4000 mAh or higher. The iPhone 12 mini weighs 135 gram, though that one has a 5.4 inches display and a 2227 mAh battery. The 13 mini is lighter too at 144 grams. Back to the display, it is a 6.4 inches IGZO OLED panel that runs at 240Hz. It has 1080p plus resolution, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and supports 10-bit imagery. There is also a fingerprint reader built into the display and a sheet of Gorilla Glass Victus that protects the display. The phone is powered by a Snapdragon 750G chipset and an 8nm chip with a X52 5G modem that supports both sub-6 GHz and millimeter wave networks. The Aquos 06 is equipped with 8GB of RAM, LPDDR4X, and 128GB storage, UFS 2.2, plus a microSD card slot, and runs Android 11 out of the box. The main camera on the back has a 48MP sensor, f1.8 lens, 26mm, and it is joined by an 8MP telephoto module, 53mm lens, 2x magnification, and an 8MP ultrawide camera, 120°/15mm, plus a 3D TOF sensor and a laser autofocus system. A 12.6MP sensor is used inside the main camera. Sharp equipped the phone with its latest Pro Pix 3 image processing engine that promises a wide dynamic range. The phone runs a 4010 mAh battery that supports USB power delivery but not fast charging. A full charge takes 2 hours and 10 minutes. The phone is rated IP68 for dust and water resistance, immersion, as well as IPX5 water jets. The Sharp Aquos 06 will launch in early October and will be available through carrier SoftBank. Next up is the Sharp Aquos Zen 6. This one has a smaller 6.1 inches IGZO OLED display, 1080p plus resolution with only 120Hz refresh rate. It can handle 10-bit HDR images as well and has a peak brightness of 1300 nits. The phone runs on less powerful Snapdragon 690 chipset, 8nm with very similar hardware to the 750G with a base memory configuration of 4/64GB and 6/120GB option. This one also has Android 11 pre-installed. While this model will be cheaper, it has the same camera setup on the back, starting with the 48MP main camera, f1.8 26mm with a Pro Pix 3 engine, followed by the 8MP telephoto camera, 2x 53mm, and 8MP ultrawide module, 120° 15mm. However, there is no 3D TOF sensor or a laser AF assist here. Also, the front camera has been demoted to an 8MP sensor. Moving on, the phone has a larger 4570 mAh battery and the same IP68/IPX5 protection from dust and water, immersion plus jets. The Sharp Aquos Zen 6 will be available from mid-November from carrier Docomo. For more information, like this video, comment down and share this video as much as you can. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, links in the channel about section. And remember one last thing, be a Taken forever.